country, people just miss it. They just miss it. They just walk past it because everyone's pissed off. Everyone's pissed off at something. Everyone's pissed off at something. I'll say it again. And they miss the things that you gotta love about this country. And one of the things I loved about this country since I was a boy is Nooit vir Nooit. And I've loved Nooit vir Nooit since I was a boy. And the scary thing is, I've loved Nooit vir Nooit since I was a boy. And I still love it, and I'm 24 today. And I'm scared right now because I'm thinking, when is this bra gonna run out of songs? Because when he runs out of all the good songs, and then when he runs out of all the Afrikaans songs, when he runs out of all the Afrikaans songs, all that's left is going to be hip-hop. And slowly but surely, one Stemmet's going to have to start introducing hip-hop. And slowly but surely, you're going to get colored contestants. And slowly but surely, the show's going to be more colored. And slowly but surely, Johan Stemmet's going to be more colored. And one day, he'll just rock up onto the show, all colored. Looking all greasy. Number 11 spanner in his hand. Wearing a Manchester United top. And not the new ones, not the new ones that say AIG. The old ones that say Sharp. And at the back, he's going to have Cantona, number 7, and a chocolate that says, I was at Vibe last night. Slowly but surely the rules of the games are going to have to change. You all know that game on Nooit vir Nooit where they give you a note and you have to guess the song. So you know, Johan Stemmet will be like, "As jy noot vir jou." And they play the note ding and you hear "Weet jy my nie?" And he'll be like, "What is it, Jannie?" "It's Diamonds Are Forever." Speel op musiekfabriek. Now that game, you have to guess the song, that game. Now, you can't do that with a hip-hop song. They're probably going to have to start at something like 20 notes. And they still won't know what's happening. They'll be like, give that 20 notes to me. And the musiekfabriek will play it. Those 20 notes. Young overseas. Young overseas. We don't know who you are. So that's one of the things I love about this country, Nooit vir Nooit, and I'll always love it. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to see the things that you love about this country and laugh at it. But you don't, because everybody's pissed off. Everybody's pissed off. And you think on this campus, you people have good modern grounds, good ethical basis, leaders of the community. You think they'd be able to pass that on people? No, not on this campus. People are pissed off on this campus. They're pissed off at the FedEx cafeteria, the food's too expensive. They're pissed off at Kerkenberg, there ain't no hot chicks. They're pissed off at Gergen, the computer room. Because I can't confirm on Facebook right now. I can't get into Facebook. Have you seen a colored girl that can't get onto Facebook? I can't get onto Facebook. How am my friends going to know that I can't talk to them? No, I can't email. I can't use my phone. I can't talk to my friends. They're not real. So people are pissed off right now. People are pissed off. But you know what's beautiful about this? Everyone's pissed off at one thing right now, and not just on this campus, in this whole country. Everybody's pissed off at one thing. Everybody's pissed off at Mantu. Mantu, how could you do that? Mantu, how could you do it? Mantu, we hate you. Mantu, we hate you. Mantu, you stole Bart's number. He's not on Save the Line anymore. How could you do it? Damn you, Mantu. Damn you, Mantu. Don't on Save the Line anymore. Mantu's drinking on the job. Mantu's drinking in the hospital. She's drinking on the job. She's drinking Jack Daniels on the job. Jack Daniels on the job. Jack Daniels. Shit, she must be college.